Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a vlog and I just wanted to show you how my skin looks. I did just wake up and my hair is a mess, but we are going to get ready. So let's get started. And this is how my skin looks. You guys, I am 31 years old and I really don't do anything for my skin other than wash it, but maybe I should start doing a skincare routine. So now we're going to put on this cute little pink bow. Okay guys, so I actually put my bronzer off camera because whenever I don't have my glasses on, I literally can't see what I'm doing, so I have to do it like really close to the mirror, and I feel like this whole camera thing wasn't working. I don't know, I think if I want to keep doing these makeup videos, I'm gonna have to get contacts because it's impossible, you guys. If you have the same problem, let me know. I might not be the only one. But my eyebrows, you guys, I was blessed with the eyebrows my mommy gave me. So I literally don't do anything, I just brush them a little bit and that's it. For the eyeliner, sometimes I do a black liner, but for my everyday look I like to do like a brown shadow with this brush right here. And this is the hardest part, you guys, doing your liner when you are blind. It's like I squint so hard on here. It's so bad. But literally I just do a little line just to like make my eye a little bigger, because I feel like if I don't wear any liner, of like, if I just leave it like that, my eye looks super small. And sometimes I put it on the bottom too. Today I'm not going to. I am going to put on a brown mascara by Essence, and it's the Lash Princess. Super cute, pink and brown. I like this brush a lot, you guys. Like, it's not too big, because usually the problem I have with other mascaras is that they're the brush is like too fat, and like I get it everywhere in my eye because I have like a small eye, I feel like. And this one just gets my lashes. I still don't have a lot of lashes. They're like so freaking, they're not existent. That I was not blessed with lashes, but it does help a little bit. You see how I have mascara on and it still looks like I have no lashes? That's crazy. But it does help a little. Okay, and that is pretty much it, you guys. I literally just do this every day most of the time, unless I have like a special occasion or like the holidays. I'll probably wear like a red lip, or sometimes I put on my lashes, but this is pretty much it. Pretty boring. If you like to see more videos of me getting ready and trying new stuff, let me know. But I just wanted to show you guys that you don't need a lot of makeup items to look cute. I literally just use my foundation, my lipstick, my blush, a little bit of eyeshadow, and my mascara. And I feel like we all have something like that in our house. But yeah, This is my everyday Laura look. But yeah, you guys, this lipsticks, I really like it. So now I'm just gonna get ready and start the day because I do have my schedule at 11:30. Alright guys, I realized that I have not updated you guys on my intermediate fasting journey. I actually been doing it for like about 3 months. This month of May I was not I mean, for the most part I was good, but I did have like some cheat days. So let's see how much I weighed. I'm always scared to get on here. 161. Yay. Okay, so when I started doing this, I actually weighed 167 pounds. So that's not that bad, you guys. I think I'm gonna start doing some cardio soon, because I do want to get to 160 was my goal, but I think I'm gonna go for 155, and that would be great. But yeah, you guys, if you've been wanting to lose weight, I recommend intermediate fasting. I literally don't get hungry at all after 6:30. And I used to like eat when I was nervous or bored, but now I don't do that. So yeah, if you want to try it out, let me know in the comments if you have any questions. But yeah, that's it for my intermediate fasting. I know I've talked about it on Instagram and I haven't updated you guys, but 161 is not bad, and I'm so proud of myself because before I got divorced, I used to weigh almost 180, you guys. It's crazy. But this is the lightest I've been in so many years. But yeah. Alrighty, so now I'm just here in my desk, where all the magic happens. Most of the time, this is where I record my tutorials. I got my Mother's Day flowers here. They're dying, but I literally am a hoarder. I collect them. So I still have my Valentine's Day flower that my sister gave me. I wanted to show you guys my mug collection because I'm literally obsessed with kitty mugs. And it all started when my good friend gave me a kitty mug. And ever since then, every time I see a cute one, or people know that I love kitty mugs, they just give me one. So this one I got at the thrift store. It was 99 cents. This one my sister gave it to me, and then this one is one of my OGs. My really good friend gave it to me, and it's honestly the one that I drink coffee almost every day. It's just my favorite mug. It's so freaking cute. And then I have another one here, and this one's so adorable too. I just love it. I always have it in my desk. It has like a little plushie and some hooks. But yeah, honestly, I'm always looking for kitty mugs for my collection to grow. And I used to have another one that my friend gave me, the one that gave me this one, but accidentally it was broken when I moved, which I'm really sad about it because I really love that one. But yeah, those are my kitty mugs. And sorry about the lighting, you guys. It's kind of right now it's kind of cloudy outside, even though it's about to be summer. But I actually like it, you guys. I don't like hot weather, but let me know in the comments if you're team summer or team winter, which I am team fall/winter. I love it. But yeah, I think I showed you guys this desk that I got on my Instagram. I will link it in my bio because I really love it, you guys. It's so cute. I think you can use it as a vanity. I don't show you the rest because my room is a mess. I am working on moving out, and my whole room is just a disaster. But hopefully once I move out, I'll show you guys my new place, which I am really excited about, and I can't wait to show you guys. This desk was really inexpensive. I believe I paid 120 on Amazon, and I just love it. But yeah, that's just a little bit behind the scenes. There's my lights. So yeah, I'm just gonna have my coffee and let's see what else we can do today. Okay guys, so now that it's 11, I can actually eat and break my fast. So I did have my coffee already. I'm gonna have my little sopita de fideo here. If you're Hispanic or at least Mexican, you know that this is like a must, and it's really fast to make. I'm going to put a little bit of this cheese on top, and then I'm gonna make some tuna. I'm gonna have it prepare and have it for my lunch, so I'm not gonna eat that right now, but I am gonna put them on this lettuce here to make like a kind of like a lettuce wrap, and that's it before I head out to work. You guys, I just got to my car because I'm about to head out to work, and it's literally raining outside, which is good for me because usually when it's raining, it's a really good day for Uber and DoorDash, well at least for me, because I guess people don't want to go out and get their own food. So yeah, I'm just gonna start my day. I don't think I'm going to vlog that part of me taking the food and picking it up, just because it's kind of hard to be recording all of that stuff, but I will update you, and let's see what else I get to do today, and if I can get some crochet in this vlog, because sometimes I don't even get to crochet at all. That's how busy I am, but I always try to have something up for you guys at least once a week here on the channel, so I hope you guys enjoy. First order of the day, and the glasses are wet. It's still raining. Okay guys, so I'm literally right in front of Sally's Supply because I need to get a pair of gloves to do my roots. They are literally this grown now and they really bug me. I just literally need to get them done, or else I'm not going to be able. Plus, like, my hair is a little washed out. It's looking a little bit more like coppery, so hopefully that makes me feel better about myself. And this is how my tuna wraps came out. I really love them. They were so delicious. And yeah, that was my lunch for the day. Alrighty guys, so this is the very next day. I did end up dyeing my roots because they were like totally bugging me, and I also did trimmed my hair because I always trim my hair every 3 months. It just makes it feel better, and I think you should be doing it too if you're not. So yeah, after dyeing my hair I did trim it, and this is how it looks, you guys. I think it turned out a little bit more reddish than the first time that I dyed it, but you guys, I am not mad at all. I actually absolutely love it. I think I'm gonna stick with this color for a while, so I am going to link it in my description box in case you want to use it. I did use the Igora Royale 5-7 chocolate brown. So yeah, you guys, I love it. And I'm sorry if I didn't get enough, or actually I didn't get anything crochet related on this vlog. But if you have any suggestions of like patterns that you want to see in the future, leave them in the description box below, and I see what I can do for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.